Myntri sorkar berkentup yu Hamlet Darling bedai pet yakatanat sin da ardi u James Sangma bedai ben pet yakatanat kakwat kakya harungkat kejinga donlang coming one umbon MLA ka Raliang constituency u BDO ka Lasken Dr. Brightstar Langbang u DC ka West Giant Hills u Garrett LNS Dykes u PK Boro additional deputy commissioner u SP USP BK Marak bat kiway hinni kasngi kila Pynkup burom ki kattu katni ki skin hone self help group SHG kathan halor ka jingla changki banle bhai ka kam yakani ka jing Pynkup burom lalle ha ka SHG mega camp balapalong da ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society ha Shangpung musim kum shibanta ka jing rakhi ya ka jing dap san pausnem ka jilla u coming one umbon ulai thu baminta labun bha ki SHG hakathan tang badang don kam Myntri shitom shu para SHG nalor banyas ngau thu jingmut khanang ban kham yo shu ki jingmentoi usembut kongsan u James Sangma ulaong bakajing Pynkup boria ki kinthei kalong ka badon kam bha namar kilong ka dak bakajilla kanya chaprang badon kamru ya ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society bantur shakmat nakabenta ban pentikna baki kinthei kinyeng halaki jong ki kajat.
Unquote. Today we all know that women can be the greatest agents of change, and we see this happening in front of us. What we are witnessing today, the silent revolution taking place in the grassroots, is this change that is taking place, this movement towards a great nation. Building upon the principles of social mobilization and attempting to strengthen institutions, the Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society has shown how critical it is to provide an outlet for the innate capabilities of the people at the grassroots of our democracy. A dedicated and sensitive support structure is imperative to induce any sort of institution building and, very importantly, empowerment process. Along with it, facilitating knowledge dissemination, skill building, access to credit, access to marketing, and access to other livelihood services enables our people to enjoy a portfolio of sustainable livelihoods, and that is important because they not only become support systems of the people, but support systems of the government as well. To look at it holistically, the Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society has multiple overlaps with the health sector as well. There is a very strong focus on improving outcomes in health and nutrition, and they have never been so important as they are now, given that we have seen how the pandemic has wreaked havoc on all of us. But I can say this confidently that it is because of such programs that we as a government can have faith that linkages are being created where we are able to make steady strides towards development goals. There are specific, undeniable achievements. For example, the presence of a self-help group in a village is always associated with improved maternal and child health, and also along with that, knowledge and practices. In fact, I think it is also an accountability mechanism for the entire department, where people are able to realize the importance of essential services and along with it demand and negotiate for greater access. I realize that the challenges of the MSRLS is quite similar to that of the health department. In the grassroots, there is still a lot of financial stress due to which it often happens that people spend their limited resources on food which barely meets their nutritional requirements. Malnutrition and sickness.
Life usaha hojatli kisah health group. Tanggung ni polas kan blok tidak nuduk kumpa siajar terus pak kendai pinjau tuli kisah health group. Badapok ke West Giant Hill District ngiran kumpa lajar arspa san pulai tuli kisah health group. Kini kalau kita persiang juk society, but kamlong kabelan ngilai ia ke jengkala haki bun ba Shillong kam tam ki yang gedong ling ba jing don jong kini ke self help group. Kini ke self help group. Kini ke thong. Jog department, jog society jing kolong kumno bani le ban pinana ban rueng ya ke jing duk ya ke jing kerdo. Lebih baik apa ke jela jungi dan yang bangiduk awak gidang pair laki gue pada kerkom jing duk kumalong gue ke jela. Amaglia jungi dengan hidup, awak hidup tebang ibiang kebam kedi ibiang kekuk kasem ibiang kata ke jelong kerbang jong jai beri si jungi. Sekiwi gue jela pin habo ang duk laduk tikna kebam kembiang kayeng kendan bangsa kisah si serop kisah si literal bakom terter ai mu you play wai ni gari ke kerpang lagi duk ru ilong hat kedur ke bebiang wat Allah hak kata keduru ke society ke sorkar India lembag NRLM pupak ban poi sya kembah nyut hajar tali ke longyeng ki beduk masuk ban poi ban rich ban thau ke kini ke sel group balai ban pelan na ke jing jok na ke jing kerdu bat nilayos ngau ia ki kam ke jong bihang ni ku self group kele sibun ba ki kam ke jong pi bat mentang liru hamlayo ban layo ega sanction pisan ba jong pi ke bakwa ban ke pi kalong nangya chikmat nangya chaprang omde layo pisah lakun no rei lang beteng ya ke kam ke jong pi namar kani ke self group ba pi bidon kala kersan pi daljong haljong para group berkembang meneh habanan la para group don kambani so jengmut don kambani don kowe ke jengmut jumparkat omde benya bisni omde benya bihun omde benya penokam bakla yak bisa nona ta penokam bakla yak bisa kejeng ya kalau nam tajo pi ki group te ngam i bakandan kum kata ke berkhoi ye skamba kini ki seleb group ki bang ya tha ko si jingi dasha kelong sisa kita ke balak ban kersan ye ki longi long sem ki jong pi ye ki longi long sem ki bentak snong keleng-keleng jong gani gribi jingi